Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you my raisin cinnamon roll with a caramel cream topping. Yeah, man, I ate. Without further delay, I'm going to take you into the steps of making this delicious raisin cinnamon roll. So forward, let me show you what I'm going. So here I have some all-purpose flour, and to that I'm gonna add some salt. Then I'm gonna add some granulated sugar. I'm gonna go in with my raisins. Then I'm gonna mix that all together to combine all the dry ingredients. Set that aside. So here I have some dry instant yeast. I'm gonna add that directly to my measuring cup. Then I'm gonna pour over that some lukewarm water, just so to activate the yeast. And we do that to ensure that all the yeast are dissolved, and that way our dough gets to work even better. I'm gonna add to that some oil and vanilla. Then back with my flour mixture, and I'm gonna gradually add to the flour the liquid ingredients. Scrape that right off. I want to have the dough a bit sticky. Gonna go in with the hand, mix that in, scoop and fold. So I'm mixing this for about 2 minutes to incorporate all the dry ingredients. And there you go, looking like a cookie dough, right? Gotta get some more flour and dust that. Dust the bottom of the bowl and put it right in there. We're just gonna wrap this and allow it to proof for an hour, and then we're gonna double it in size. There you have it. After an hour, we'll be right back. So this is what my dough looks like. After an hour, this is what it looks like. So it proofed and then it went down. Clean the surface, we'll dust that. Just gonna roll this right out. Roll that out into a nice rectangle. At this point, you want to turn the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit so that it can properly preheat. Roll that right out. I have it rolled out nice and flat. I'm gonna go in with some melted butter right on there. But just ensure that we spread the butter evenly across the entire dough. And while we do this, this helps to keep the dough moist as well as to hold in place the cinnamon that we're gonna put on there. I'm gonna go in with some cinnamon. Don't worry about the amount, because that will be in the description box down below. I'm gonna go in with some sugar. Ensure that we spread it across evenly. That's what it looks like. We're gonna fold this. We're gonna get it, turn it like that, get the edges in, and we fold this tightly as possible. Gonna cut it into half, then half again. We'll cut each halves into 2. So we got 8 rolls from that. We're just gonna arrange those onto a casserole dish or baking tray. Now I'll show you what it looks like. So my baking tray was already greased and lined with waxed paper. I'm gonna go in my bun, one here. We'll put them facing down like that. Then I'm gonna wrap that and allow it to proof for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So this is what they look like after 20 minutes proofing. Gonna pop these in the oven to bake for 20 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we're gonna make the sauce to pour on top. So we'll be right back. So we're gonna start the sauce by melting some butter. So I'm gonna be making a caramel. Just get that butter melted. To that I'm gonna add some brown sugar. Just allow that to melt. Then I'm gonna go in with a bit of salt. And then we're gonna go in with some whipping cream. Gradually whisk that in. So what you want to do at this point, you want to allow this to reduce to about half the amount of liquid that's in there. So we're looking at a cup and a half. We want it to reduce down to about a cup. We're gonna let that cook for 5 to 10 minutes on medium low and do its thing. After 10 minutes, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what my sauce looks like after 10 minutes. You can speed up the process by adding a teaspoon of cornstarch to 1/4 cup of water. And there are the cinnamon rolls. After 25 minutes in the oven, they're looking nice and golden brown. Just gonna pour that sauce over on top, let it cool, and then serve away. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Me see you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.